Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in one more time. I'm in another trade on USD JPY at 108.26. I did a sell. I bought 15 positions at $33.25. Um, so roughly I'll be profiting about 500 bucks, 498 somewhere in that range. The market currently is at 108.11. So right now I am winning this trade by over 10 pips. So this is pretty good right now. I have 2 minutes left on this trade, so things are going pretty well. As you can see, the strategy that I've been working on is pretty much working. Right now, we have 4 consecutive candles going down, so everything is running pretty smooth. We got a downside movement right now that's in progress, but we're gonna get back to this trade when it's under a minute. Well, I can hang here for a little bit. It's under 2 minutes right now, but not much to say about this trade. Y'all seen what's going on. So the count value is going to move up as well. So it'll be shortly under $6,000 at the end of this trade. So I'll give you guys a little second of breather. Yo, I'm back. We're under 30 seconds. We got to see the trade is winning. So we're going to watch this trade close out. Y'all remember what the trade was? It's 108.26 on USD JPY. To stay beneath that price and is underneath that price right now. We're 12 pips away from that strike. So everything's going well and it just closed out right now. So we're going to wait till the position fill and watch the count value go up and this trade is over.
Take a shower.
All right. Positions filled. We're at 58.81. Things are pretty good. All right. Alex Jenkins checking out.